Hi friends, welcome back to another episode on my culinary expressions. Today's expression is an evergreen and versatile dish. It is the Chole Masala. I'm sure you all are fond of Chole Masala and must have enjoyed them as Chole Bhature, Chole Tikki, Chole Puri, Chole Naan. Well, today we'll be making this Chole Masala in an easy way without any chole premix powder or sautéing the chole. You neither need tea leaves or dried amla to change the color. Before we take off to make Chole Masala, let me remind my friends who are visiting this channel for the first time, if you would like to receive these expressions with tips and options, then hit the subscription button right away and press the bell icon to receive notifications. And all my other dear friends, do continue to show your support and zeal by your likes, shares, comments and feedback. Now, let's get started. Here are the ingredients for boiling the chole. We need 1 cup of chole. The chole should be soaked overnight for best results. Then 1 teaspoon of salt. Then in whole spices we need 3 to 4 star anise, 5 cloves, 1 black cardamom, 5 green cardamoms, ½ inch cinnamon. You can adjust the whole spices according to your preference. And 2 to 3 cups of water. Wash the chole, that is the chickpeas, well. Then transfer them to a pressure cooker and add water. Add salt and the whole spices. Secure the lid and pressure cook till the chole are done. After pressure cooking, when the pressure is released, open the lid. The chole should be soft but not mushy. They should retain their shape. Now, discard the whole spices except for 3 or 4 cloves and 2 pieces of star anise. Mash the cloves and add them back to the chole. Now, keep the chole aside. Now let's take a look at the ingredients for the gravy paste. We need 3 medium tomatoes roughly chopped, 1 small onion chopped, 2 to 3 green chilies chopped, 7 cloves of garlic roughly chopped and water for blending. 1/4 inch of ginger. In a blender, add all these ingredients mentioned under the gravy list and blend it to make a paste. Then transfer to a bowl and keep aside. Lastly, here are some of the spices that are needed for making the Chole Masala. We need 3 teaspoons of cumin powder, that is jeera, 2 teaspoons of crushed kasuri methi, ½ inch of cinnamon stick, 2 green cardamoms, 1 black cardamom. Then we need ½ teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon coriander powder, ½ teaspoon red chili powder, salt as needed, ½ teaspoon of garam masala powder. Then we need 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, some water and coriander leaves for garnish. Do not forget to have mint lassi or bundi chach after having these masala chole. You'll enjoy it. Okay, let's get back to work. Take 3 tablespoons of oil and warm it in a pot or a pan. To this add the whole spices, that is the cinnamon and the cardamoms, and thereafter add the cumin powder. Saute the cumin powder very well, but take care that it shouldn't burn. The cumin powder gives the flavor to the chole. Saute well till the cumin powder changes color and then add the gravy paste. Saute the gravy paste on low to medium flame till the liquids dry up. Stir occasionally. Take care that the paste doesn't burn. When the liquids are nearly dried, add the spices, that is the turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, and salt. Go easy with the salt because the salt is already there in the boiled chole. Saute well on low to medium flame. As and when you notice masalas are getting stuck to the bottom, add a tablespoon of water. Each time the gravy mixture will turn dark. Repeat this once more. Sautéing the gravy masala paste is very important so as to remove the rawness. Finally, we'll add half cup to 1 cup of water and let the gravy cook on low to medium flame for 7 to 10 minutes. Cover it and let it simmer. Now when the gravy is cooked, now time to add the boiled chole. Add the chole along with the water in which they were boiled. Add more water if necessary. These masala chole go very well with puris or naans. This chole makes a great chaat with crispy aloo tikki. You can check the video on this channel. Mix everything well and check for seasoning. Finally, sprinkle some crushed kasuri methi, garam masala powder and chopped coriander leaves, and then cover and cook on low flame for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you will find oil floating on the chole. This is the time when you can put off the flame and you can sprinkle some more fresh coriander leaves. Chole masala is now ready. Enjoy them with your friends and family. Serve it hot with puri, rice or pulao or naan or bhature. Friends, I hope you enjoyed this expression. Then what are you waiting for? Do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Very soon I'll be back with another interesting video. Till then, goodbye.